In this video, we'll start putting together royalty-free videos from Pixabay and adding music. In Pixabay, I went to Videos and looked up Mad Scientist. I thought that this video, this video, this video. So I need more videos. And I thought if this person was a scientist trying to come up with a cure for a bomb that goes off on Earth. Then I looked up apocalyptic. I like this video right here. I like this video here. I like this video here. Then I went to music and I looked up action music, and I like cinematic action trailer. I'll have that at the beginning of the video where we have the explosion. I also looked up apocalypse in the music section, and I found this piano music called Apocalypse, and we can play that when we see the scientist trying to come up with a cure. I'm going to take all my footage and drag and drop it onto the timeline, and then I'm going to save this Premiere Pro project as Apocalypse and save it. Now I want to rearrange my footage, and I can remove the audio on these tracks. I can unlink them and then click and drag to select and delete those. So this part right here, I want to be my first visual. So I'll bring that up here. My next visual, I want this. That's what happens after the bomb goes off. I'm going to move these tracks over here so we can see what we're doing. I want to use this footage next, and then after that, we'll show it's raining on the earth, and then we'll show it's apocalyptic, but there's some sun shining. This footage is really big, so I'm going to have to take the scale back until it fits inside of the area. Let's drag that over here. I like this where the scientist is looking at what she's working on. Let's drag that over here. And then the last part is the cure that she's working on. Let's put that at the end. I'll select all those and bring them down, and I'll bring the music in. The action music, I'll bring that in first, and then the apocalypse with the piano music I'll put in second. This is where we need to be creative. I want the piano music to start here. I want it to fade in, and I want the apocalyptic music to fade out. So the music fades out perfectly in the spot, and then I want to get this to fade in. Here's a easy way to fade music. The little square right here, if we click on it and drag it to the right, it will fade music in. This lesson will continue in the next video.